Today you're going to learn about the best product types for dropshipping. We believe these products trigger impulse purchases, making earning money with dropshipping possible. Hi, my name is Natalie and welcome to the AliDropship channel. If you are looking for a way to make more money with dropshipping, then keep watching to learn how to trigger impulse purchases on your website. In simple terms, an impulse purchase is when people buy something with no prior planning. It's a spontaneous, on-the-spot purchase. With impulse purchases, it's not always easy to tell which products will sell because it really depends on people's culture, needs, place of residence, lifestyle, and most importantly, the level of income. But generally, people are more likely to buy emotionally charged products. This is the reason why cute, adorable, kawaii products are often sold by dropshipping store owners, but you don't have to limit yourself with sweet stuff. Anything that immediately creates a strong emotional response is a good choice, so try to find products that evoke this feeling. Want to get customers to impulsively add to cart? Here are some tips to help you trigger impulse purchases. Create an environment for spontaneous purchases. First, you need to create a website that allows for fun shopping. Make sure your website is user-friendly and that images and product copy are clear, accurate, and enticing. If you find an item that can potentially be an impulse purchase, you can create a single website just for this product. For example, this famous moon lamp is exactly that kind of product. It was something new and fascinating, and many dropshipping store owners profited from selling just this single product. You might think, oh, this moon lamp is so popular now when a lot of sellers are already selling it and it won't be something unique and enticing then. I believe you, but also remember that millions of people are shopping online now. And it's possible that they see this item on another website but don't purchase it, but they will remember it and want to look for it again. By offering it as a standout item on your website, it's easier for them to remember your store. So what do you think? Do you think this moon lamp is unique enough? Tell me what you think in the comments below. If you're thinking of creating a dropshipping store for just one product, consider the Van Gogh theme. It's clean and easy to navigate, making it a popular choice. Setup is easy and super customizable too. How convenient is that? Of course, you can add impulse products to a regular website that carries a variety of products as well. Let's take a look at this example. Here is another store created with the help of the AliDropship plugin for WordPress. This plugin and its add-ons have everything you need to encourage spontaneous purchases. Moreover, our themes offer a number of features that stimulate people to buy, like discounts, countdown timers, and more. If you want to learn more, check it out by following this link. Now, let's go to the next tip. Focus on products with a low initial price. As I mentioned before, it's important to offer products for impulse buying at relatively affordable prices. Of course, what's cheap or expensive depends on the income level of your potential customers, but it's more likely that the person will buy a $10 bracelet as opposed to a $200 robot cleaner. Choose the right places for impulse products. You won't be able to trigger an impulse purchase unless customers can actually see the product on your website. Place such products near the most popular and desired items, on single product pages of related goods, and closer to the shopping cart and checkout, and always make them eye-catching. Give discounts and use promo campaigns. Another buying tactic that works for customers is an opportunity to buy something cheaper. That's why discounts and bundle offers are effective in encouraging impulse purchases. Use fear of missing out. Finally, for triggering impulse purchases, one can use the fear of missing out tactic. Simply tell customers that the number of products is limited or that the discount will expire in 24 hours. This will push shoppers to go ahead and add to their cart. If you own an online business, use these simple tips to trigger impulse purchases and increase your sales. As an AliDropship team member, I also invite you to take a look at our solutions for people who want to start dropshipping business. If you want a ready-to-go online store that already has an inventory of promising goods, consider one of the following options. You can order a custom store and our team will create a dropshipping website from scratch that suits your individual preferences. Or buy a premium dropshipping store to get a copy of one of our successful online shops that brings us thousands of dollars every month. You can find more tips on dropshipping on our marketing blog as well. The link is in the description box. As usual, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to stay in touch. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.